Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Mathematics Workbook Standard 4th. Now all of you open your page number 189. On that page we have completed main 3 in the previous video. Today we will see main 4. See the instruction first of all. Answer the following questions on the basis of the details given below. Here the details are given in the table. Name of the child is given, weight of the child in kg is given, name of the child and weight of the child. Now Tejas weight is 17 kg, Mayank weight is 28 kg, Ajay weight is 31 kg, Vipul weight is 25 kg, Anjali weight is 19 kg and Manoj weight is 21 kg. Now from all these 6 child, if we can see that which one child is have the greater, means highest weight. So which one is the 31 is the greater. So Ajay weight is the most and किसका weight कम है तो तेजस का weight कम है 17 kg. See the first question. Who is the heaviest? Means किसका weight ज्यादा है. What is his or her weight? Okay. So whose weight is the heaviest? 31 kg weight. Ajay. Ajay weight is the heaviest and उसका weight कितना है? His weight is 31 kg. Now see the second question. Who is the lightest weight? किसका कम weight है? What is his or her weight? तो तेजस का वेट है वो 17 kg है, सबसे कम. सो तेजस वेट इज द लाइटेस्ट, हिज वेट इज 17 kg. नाउ सी द थर्ड वन. हाउ मच मोर इज द वेट ऑफ विपुल देन तेजस? नाउ सी हियर, विपुल का वेट है 25 kg एंड तेजस का वेट है 17 kg. तो विपुल का वेट तेजस से कितना ज्यादा है, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. So here in the bracket roughly I have shown you Vipul weight is 25 kg minus Tejas with the 17 kg. 25 minus 17 it's 8 kg. तो विपुल का वेट कितना ज्यादा है? 8 kg more. How much more? So 8 kg more. Now see the fourth one. How much less is the weight of Anjali than Mayank? Now see अंजलि का वेट है 19 एंड मयंक का वेट है 28. तो अंजलि का वेट मयंक से कितना कम है? लेस. हाउ मच लेस? सो मयंक वेट माइनस अंजलि's वेट. That also I have shown you in the rough work. Mayank weight is 28 kg. So 28 minus Anjali weight is 19. 28 minus 19 it's 9 kg less. Okay. 28 minus 19 it's 9. So 9 kg less. Fifth one. What is the difference between the weight of Ajay and Manoj? Ajay weight is 31 and Manoj weight is 21. तो दोनों के weight में difference क्या है? For that also you have to do the subtraction. So Ajay weight is 31 minus Manoj weight is 21. 31 minus 21 it's 10. So 10 kg difference. Now see the next page 190. Main 5. Solve the following problems. First one, first of all read the question. A vegetable seller had 25 kg onions. Vegetable seller के पास कितने onions है? 25 kg onions. Out of that he sold 21 kg 350 gram onions. Okay, 25 kg already थे, उसमें से कितने सोल्ड आउट किए, कितने बेच दिए? तो 21 kg 350 ग्राम ऑनियंस उसने बेच दिए. देन फाइंड द क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑनियंस लेफ्ट विथ हिम. नाउ सी हियर लेफ्ट इज गिवन. So already you have to the hint is given in the question. So left, so do the subtraction. So kg and gram है, यहाँ पे तो kg है but यहाँ पे kg and gram. So you have to make the column kilogram and gram. Now 25 is the greater one, so write down 25. Here it's nothing gram, so put a 000 minus 21 kilogram 350 gram. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to borrow from here. But here also 0. So we have to borrow from this 5. So here 5 cuts and here it's become a 4. Here it's become a 10. But from 10 also we have to give here also. So here it's become a 9 and here it's become a 10. 10 minus 5, it's a 5. 9 minus 3, it's a 6. 4 minus 1, it's a 3. 2 minus 2, it's a 0. तो आंसर है 3 kg 650 gram onions. So answer is, you have to write down here 3 kg 650 kg onions, not kg, gram. 3 kg 650 gram onions are left. Now see the second question. First of all, read the question. Meena has 2 kg chilies. How many chilies Meena have? 2 kg. How many small packets of 200 gram are needed to pack all the chilies? 2 kg में से आपको 200 ग्राम के स्मॉल पैकेट्स बनाए, तो 200 ग्राम के कितने पैकेट्स बनेंगे? फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सी 2 kg, 2 जो kg है उसको आपको 2000 ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, so 2 kg is equal to 200 gram. Now you have to make number of small packets of 200 gram. So is equal to 200 gram upon 200. Okay, this 0 0, this 0 0 cancel. Now here it's remaining 20 and here it's a 2. So 2 how much are 20? 2 tens are 20. So 10 packets is equal to 10 packets आपके बनेंगे. So in the answer you have to write down 10 packets of 200 gram are needed to pack all the chilies. Now see third question. First of all, read the question. If 28 kg 700 gram tomatoes are packed equally in 7 baskets. See the word equally come. Okay. 28 kg 700 gram tomatoes are packed in 7 baskets. 7 basket के अंदर 28 kg 700 grams tomatoes are packed. Then how much tomatoes are there in each basket? 7 basket में 28 kg 700 gram है. तो 1 basket में how many tomatoes are come? So write down in 7 basket 28 kg 700 gram tomatoes are packed. Therefore, in 1 basket, how many tomatoes are packed? So 1 cross multiplication, 1 multiplied by 2 kg 700 gram. Okay, upon this 7. Now see here 7 4s are 28 and 7 hundreds are 700 and here 4 kg 100 gram directly also we can able to do. The is equal to 4 kg 100 gram is your answer. So in the answer you have to write down in each basket. Now see here how much quantity of potatoes is left with her. Left is given. Okay, left hint is given. Left means minus, you have to do the subtraction. So do the subtraction. Kilogram and gram is there. So write down kilogram, gram. 23 kg ज्यादा है. ओके, तो 23 kg में तो 14 kg आपको माइनस करना है. तो 23 kg 250 ग्राम माइनस 14 kg 150 ग्राम. 0 minus 0 0. 5 minus 5 it's a 0. 2 minus 1 it's a 1. Now 3 minus 4 is not possible. So we have to borrow from this 2. So cut 2 here. Here it's become a 1. Here it's a 13. 13 minus 4 it's a 9. 1 minus 1 it's a 0. So answer is a 9 kg 100 gram answer. Potatoes. So 9 kg 100 gram of potatoes is left with her. Here your chapter is completed. So we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.